Have you imagined what our life will be like in 2025? What inventions will revolutionize our day-to-day? From self-driving cars to miracle cures in medicine, the future is closer than you think. In this video, we'll show you 7 incredible inventions that will transform our lives very soon. Stay with us and find out how the technology will change the world. Don't miss it. Invention number 1. Quantum teleportation. Imagine waking up at home and in a matter of seconds showing up at your workplace or at the beach. Quantum teleportation, which seemed only possible in science fiction movies, it could be just around the corner. Scientists from all over the world are working on this technology that uses the properties of quantum particles to move matter from a place to another without the need to pass through the intermediate space. The idea of quantum teleportation is based on a phenomenon known as entanglement quantum space, where two particles can be connected in such a way that the state of the particle instantly affects each other's state, regardless of the distance between them. This phenomenon, which Albert Einstein described as ghostly action at a distance, has been demonstrated in laboratories around the world. Although teleporting large objects or people is still a monumental challenge, significant advances have already been made in the teleportation of particles and small amounts of information. In 2025, we could see the first prototypes that could teleport small objects, ushering in a new era in transport and logistics. Can you imagine never suffering traffic jams again? This advance could not only revolutionize transportation, but also the way we handle information and communications. Invention number 2, personalized medicine with AI. The second invention on our list is intelligence-driven personalized medicine artificial. Forget generic treatments that don't work for everyone. AI will be able to analyze your DNA, medical history, and lifestyle habits to create a unique treatment plan and optimized just for you. With this technology, chronic diseases such as diabetes or hypertension could be treated much more effectively, significantly improving the quality of life for millions of people. Rather than following a one-size-fits-all approach, personalized medicine will allow doctors to design specific treatments that are tailored to each patient's unique characteristics. This not only will it increase the effectiveness of treatments, but it will also reduce the effects secondary and improve the patient experience. Imagine getting cancer treatment that is specifically designed to target the genetic mutations of your cancer cells, or a diet and exercise plan that perfectly fits your metabolism and needs nutritional. In addition, artificial intelligence can analyze large volumes of data in a matter of seconds, identifying patterns and correlations that humans might miss. It will allow doctors to make more accurate and faster diagnoses and develop new therapies based on large-scale data analysis. Invention number 3, autonomous flying cars. Flying cars are not a new idea, but in 2025, we could finally see them become an everyday reality. Companies like Uber and Tesla are investing heavily in the development of autonomous flying vehicles that will not only be able to take us from point A to point B without a driver, but they will also do it through the air, avoiding land traffic and reducing travel times. The future of transportation is literally in the air. Imagine living in a city where traffic jams are a thing of the past. Vehicles. Autonomous flyers will not only reduce travel time, but also decrease the pollution and improve transportation efficiency. These vehicles will be equipped with advanced navigation systems that will use artificial intelligence to plan the most important routes, efficient and collision avoidance. In addition, flying cars could change the way we design our towns. With less need for roads and parking lots, we could free up more space for parks, green areas, and housing. Air travel could also make areas rural development are more accessible, opening up new opportunities for economic development and development. Tourism. Remember to subscribe and activate the notification bell so you don't miss any content of this type. Without further ado, we continue. Invention number 4, augmented reality in education. Education is about to experience a revolution with the integration of reality augmented, AR. Instead of reading about ancient Rome in a book, students will be able to virtually walk through the Roman Forum, interact with historical figures, and see what life was like in those times. This technology will not only make learning more immersive and fun, but it will also allow students to understand and retain information from much more effectively. Augmented reality can transform any subject into an interactive and visually appealing. For example, in a biology class, students might see models' three-dimensional analysis of cells and organs and observe how they function in real time. In a class of history, they could explore virtual recreations of historical events and better understand the context and the importance of those events. In addition, AR can personalize education, adapting to the needs and styles of learning of each student. Teachers will be able to create interactive lessons and assessments that adjust to the level and progress of each student, making learning more effective and motivator. Invention number 5. Clean energy from nuclear fusion. Nuclear fusion energy has been the holy grail of clean energy for decades, and it seems that we are closer than ever to achieving it. This type of energy promises to be an almost inexhaustible and emission-free, capable of meeting our energy needs without damaging the environment. In 2025, we could see the first fusion reactors operational, ushering in a new era of clean and sustainable energy. Unlike nuclear fission, which splits large atoms into smaller atoms and produces radioactive waste, nuclear fusion combines small atoms, such as hydrogen, to form larger atoms such as helium, releasing an enormous amount of energy in the process. This process is similar to the way the sun produces energy and has the potential to provide a secure and abundant source of energy for the future. Fusion reactors also have the advantage of being much safer than fusion reactors. Fission, since they cannot have a catastrophic accident such as a core meltdown. In addition, fusion reactors do not produce long-lived radioactive waste, making them a much greener option. Invention number 6. Brain-computer interfaces. Science fiction becomes reality with brain-computer interfaces. This technology, it will allow people to control electronic devices just by thinking about it. From writing emails to playing video games, the possibilities are endless. In addition, for people with physical disabilities, these interfaces could offer a new way of interact with the world, drastically improving their quality of life. Invention number 7. Automated vertical farming. Finally, we have automated vertical farming. With the increase in population and the urbanization, the demand for fresh and healthy food is constantly growing. The automated vertical farms, which use robotics and artificial intelligence to grow crops, food, and vertical structures, could be the solution. These farms can produce more food in less space and with fewer resources, providing a sustainable source of food for our growing cities. And there you have it. 7 incredible inventions that are destined to change our lives in 2025. From quantum teleportation to vertical farming, the future is full of exciting possibilities. Which of these inventions excites you the most? Leave us your opinion on comments. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications to stay up to date with the latest in technology and science. Until next time.